Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to buy this ankrETH ETF token on Uniswap. And in order to do this, you need to have Trust Wallet, of course. You go here to your Trust Wallet. If you don't have it, download it on your App Store or Google Play Store and set up the account. After that, in order to buy this token, you will need to have Ethereum here, Ethereum coins here. So to have Ethereum coins, you will need to click on buy here. You click on Ethereum and you enter the amount you want to buy, and you buy it with your credit card, for example. Or you can buy it with lower fees on Binance.com, and also I will leave the link for 5% deposit bonus for you in the description below. So definitely use my link in order to get more Ethereum coins. And after you will do this, you're gonna need to transfer Ethereum coins to Trust Wallet by clicking on receive Ethereum, copying this link and pasting it to your Binance. And after that, when you will have Ethereum balance and Ethereum coins here, you're gonna need to click on browser, and you're gonna basically just scroll down until you see Uniswap. If you don't see this browser button, you will need to enable it by going to your Safari and pasting this link and clicking on go. And the Trust Wallet app will open up with this button. After that, of course, click on Uniswap Exchange, and you will be redirected to this Uniswap. And in order to buy this token, you will need to select the token and paste the address of it. So you go back here to CoinMarketCap and you copy the contract address. You go back to Trust Wallet, you paste the address here, and after you will paste the address, you're gonna click on import, and you basically enter the amount of this coin and you're gonna buy it. After that, you may not see it here on your wallet, so you will need to add it manually by clicking on this top right corner and searching for this coin, and they have it right here. You're gonna basically toggle it on and click on done, and that's it, guys. That's how you buy this coin on Uniswap. And if this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to this channel. Take care. Bye.